Hey guys, it's Hannah. Today we're doing a haunted Halloween HIIT workout with some awesome exercises that you probably have not even done before. So I'm looking forward to kicking your butt. This year I'm so excited to be Wonder Woman for Halloween because last year I was training for my first bikini competition and was in my peak week at the time, so I didn't participate. But go ahead and let me know below what you're gonna be for Halloween. So you don't need any equipment for this workout. I'm keeping track of the time for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start with some zombie walks. You're gonna take a big giant step and try to swing your leg up while touching your toes if you can. If not, that's totally okay. But we're gonna be the best zombies we can be. And then go to the other side. I'm gonna do this a few times. Waking up the core, warming up the hips, and acting like those dead people raising for brains. All right, now we're gonna do some thriller shoulder moves. So take your arms like claws and you're gonna raise your knees nice and high 20 times here. How high can you go? Act just like Michael. There you go, keep it up. Nice and wide knees. Breathe, getting those shoulders warm. Good. Your heart rate should be up. We're gonna do some bat flyers. So you're gonna pick up your feet super quick and for 30 seconds. Crouch down. Flap those wings, flap them nice and hard. There you go. Waking up those shoulders and those biceps. Quicker. There you go, pick it up, pick it up. Be a bat. Channel that vampire. There you go. 5, 3, 2, 1. Good. Shake it out. We're gonna smash some pumpkins. So I want you to grab the biggest pumpkin from the patch. Pick it up and smash it. 9 more times. Pick it up. Overhead. Smash. Thrust those hips. Super fast. Good. Little faster. 4, 5, 6. If you have a medicine ball, you can do that as well with this movement. 8, 9. Last one. Throw it down. Woo. Shake it out. All right. Now it's time for the HIIT portion. So get ready. We're gonna start in a squat position, feet wider than shoulder width, nice and wide. We're gonna be a witch stirring the cauldron. 35 on, 25 off. Get ready. In 3, 2, 1. Wiggle the toes, stir the pot. 2 each way. That's a big cauldron. There you go, full of a huge stew. There you go. Stay strong. Use those arms to distract you. Good. Strong arms. Strong core. Good. Strong glutes. 10 seconds. Next we have thriller lunges. Keep it up. 5, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Next we have step out, step out, step out. Come together. Step out, step out, step out. Come together. Stay in those heels. Stay nice and low. You should be able to wiggle the toes and keep the chest up in this motion. Just like thriller. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Step out. 2, 3. Pop. Side. Step. Step. Pop. Step. How low can you go? There you go. Use those shoulders if you can. Keep it up. 17. Keep breathing. Stay low. Don't cut yourself short. 5. Breathe. And 1. Woo! Shake it out. Next we have wolf howlers. So you're gonna howl at the moon. Hands on all fours. Butt back. You can do it off the knees. Scoop down and up. Howl if you want. And back. Or you can stay on your knees the whole time. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Go in. Oh, and back. If the louder you howl, the more work you're doing. There you go. Working those chest and triceps. Scoop. Howl. And back. How creepy of a wolf can you be? There you go. Just like Halloween. Keep it up. Get those sculpted arms. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good. Next we did the wolf. We gotta do the cat. So, scaredy cats right here. You're gonna explode up like that. So, stay on your toes. Stiffen up. Land soft. There you go. Modification. This is pushing up just like that. So, get ready. Scaredy cat. Core tight. Extend. How high can you go? Keep it up. Keep it up. Remember, you can stay down here on your toes or your knees. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Last one for this round, mummy raises. Raising from the dead. As creepy as possible. Arms out, laying on your back. Coming up. Reaching to the sky. Or you can reach right out in front. Get ready. And go. Reach. Use that momentum if you need it. Otherwise, start completely still for an extra challenge. There you go. All the way up. All the way down. Almost there. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1. All right, back to the beginning. Remember those cauldron squats. Waking up those glutes. Stirring the pot. Get ready in 10 seconds. Last round of everything. Come on. Show me what you got. 3, 2, 1. 2 each way. Nice and big. It's a huge cauldron. The biggest one you've ever seen. You can pulse if you want for more glute activation. Keep that core tight, chest up. How low can you get while keeping those glutes engaged? 10 seconds. Then we have our thriller lunges. 5, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. Remember, step, step, step. Explode up. Staying in the heel. Trying to get low. Lower and lower every time. You can stretch it out if you need to. Shake out those legs. In 3, 2, 1. Step, step, step. Up. Nice and fast. Keeping our heart rate elevated. Really pushing. High intensity. It's our max capabilities. There you go. Give me a powerful clap. You can shrug the shoulders as well. Shrug. 5 seconds. Last one. Woo! Next, wolf howlers. diving down and scooping up, pushing back. That's the hardest part, but you can do it. Drop your knees if you need to. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Last time. Scoop down. Oh! And back. Just like that. Oh! Big howls. There you go. Scoop. Push. Feel that resistance. Pushing against the floor all you can. With all your might. Pushing against gravity. Really working the muscle. Getting stronger. 3, 2, 1. All right. Second to last move, scaredy cat. We did the wolf. Time to do the cat. So, on your toes, exploding up. So this is gonna be explosive movement, plyometric here. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, and go. As high as you can, arch that back. Just like a freaked out cat. There you go. And you remember, just come here if you're new or if you have sensitive knees. Otherwise, get high. Freaked out. There you go, halfway. Keep it up. Extend the fingers and the toes. 3, 2, 1, and down. Good work, that's a rough one. Last time for the mummy raises. Raising from the dead. All the way to the sky. Or in front. Get ready. Lower the heart rate. Catch your breath. 3, 2, 1. Last push here. Stay strong with me. 4. Breathe. 6. There you go, keep it up. Core tight. Try to keep those legs down. The stiller you are, the harder it is. Almost there. Last one. And down. Woo! Well, I hope you had just as much fun as I did for that workout. And make sure to leave below what you're going to be for Halloween this year. And thanks for joining me today. Competing as a natural bodybuilder has challenged me to learn the best moves for sculpting and shaping the entire body. Adding in the HIIT training component keeps you burning fat for 24 to 36 hours after your workout so you can see results fast. Woo! I'm burning, I don't know about you. These are the moves that helped me win natural bodybuilding competitions, and now I'm teaching these moves to you. My course is available on Amazon and wellnessplus.tv at the links in the video description below.